Alright, let's bake these irresistibly chewy chocolate chip cookies, the kind that never make it to the cookie jar because, well, self-control is overrated. Let's start with our dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a little less than half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a little less than half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it well and set it aside. Now in a separate bowl, take half a cup of soft butter, that's about 120 grams. It should be soft to touch, not melted. Add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Whisk until it turns light and creamy. This is where the magic begins. Now add a few drops of vanilla essence and 1 room temperature egg. Whisk again until everything blends beautifully. The mixture should look smooth and glossy. Now, gently add your dry mixture into the wet one. Mix slowly, don't overmix. The texture should look a little crumbly, not like a perfect dough. That's exactly what gives these cookies their soft, chewy centers. Now comes the best part. Add 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips and mix it all together. You can already imagine how these little bites of chocolate are going to melt inside the warm cookie dough. Now, scoop the dough into small balls and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Leave some space in between. They'll spread a little as they bake. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until the edges turn golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. And look at that, they're just perfect. Golden, chewy, and that rich buttery smell fills your whole house. When you take that first bite, the crunch gives way to a soft, warm center, and you realize why homemade cookies always hit different. No packet, no store-bought version can ever beat this feeling. If you've baked along with me today, I hope your home smells like comfort and love right now. If you reached this part of the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really keeps me going, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Tell me in the comments, do you love your cookies soft and chewy or crispy all the way? I'll see you in another warm and cozy recipe. Until then, take care and happy baking.